Hello, today I'm going to show an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the RECARO Exo Platinum Black and White. It's a really cool chair as you can see. It's a premium glass gaming chair. It's a multiple awards and honors brand design chair and it is made in Germany and it is available in models not only black and white as shown here in that video is on the market. There is black, gray, black and white and blue, yellow, and an Exo model, an Exo FX, and an Exo Platinum. This here is the platinum version of this chair. It's a really cool looking chair, isn't this? Working at a desk for long periods of time is just much a part of our job. While we are working in the office or we are working as a media creator or a programmer or what else. But in our RECARO, even our off working are no problems anymore. Unveiled as a prototype at the Gamescom 2019, the RECARO Exo Platinum Black and White now becomes a reality. Thanks to feedback from numerous gamers with the more neutral but very classy design. The black and white fits ideally into any type of room. No matter if the RECARO Exo is to be placed in the living room or in work or gaming rooms. Light or dark furniture, no props, because the Exo Platinum Black and White goes with everything. The RECARO Exo Platinum is made in Germany, and it's not only ideal as a gaming chair, but also as an office chair, for example in the home office. With a maximum load capacity of 150 kilogram and awards with the German Design Awards and top rating from trade press. And that can't go wrong with the RECARO Exo. Or really, the color is really cool because it's white and black. And I like this design really much. RECARO itself is a premium seed developer from Germany. For so many decades, they made beautiful and so nice car chairs for the biggest brands out there. And now they join the office and gaming market in chair segment. The seat shall in off white or pure black. We can choose. Composite mesh fabric, accents, and high quality breathable fabrics. Ideal contouring and full support for our back. Dimensionally stable premium upholstery foam and a unique 5-dimension armrest with aluminum carrier. That means you can travel in the future, you can travel in the past, and you can stay where you like. No, that was a joke. The UD armrest means we can rotate it nearly into any dimension, except the timeline. Only in one direction is it possible. Forward. High quality lightweight aluminum base. Copper lumiere reinforced special rollers for all floors. That's not right. I have I'm working on a corporate office, and this problem comes with the copolymer reinforced special rollers, and it's not possible to roll on a carpet really good for it. It's a short carpet, a short hair carpet, and it does not fix. No, it does not fit there. But there is a solution by RECARO, no problem. RECARO sent me another bunch of rollers, and I attached them, and now it's wonderful. The standard rollers of the RECAROs are the best to roll on carpets. And the maximum load capacity is up to 150 kilogram. That means I have a little bit space to use this. 40 kilograms. And the dimensions of this are 405 millimeter to 1500 millimeter to 450 millimeter, and the seat is 490 millimeter. The product weight is 26.6 kilogram. The total height minimum 1320 millimeter, maximum 1500. Total width of the seat is 405 millimeter. The seat height is from 500 up to 600 millimeter. The seat depth is 450 millimeter. The height backrest from the seat is 942 millimeters, and the armrest from the seat is 170 up to 270 millimeters. Really cool. We can adjust so many stuff on this Exo Platinum Black and White device. It's a really cool device. The gas spring is class 4, and the RECARO makes use of its decades of experience in designing car seats, which means that the dimensions and the contours of the RECARO gaming seats fits to 90% of all users. The height adjustment of the quality gas pressure spring allows people from about 150 centimeters to about 185 centimeters an optimal height of the seat. And of course, maximum load is 150 kilogram. And it's really easy to assemble. All models of the RECARO Exo are certified according to the DIN EN 1335 by TÜV Rheinland and bear the GS mark. So you can see, here comes a really cool and easy to assemble RECARO Exo Platinum Black and White office chair, gaming chair, what you like that chair can be. But most of the time, it makes a good job to have a nice seat for you. And it looks brilliant. The really best office chair and gaming chair I ever had before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.